In this video, I will add the first enemies for my survival game HoldOut. There will be several different types of enemies in the game, but today we will focus on wild animals. To start, I took this nice animated wolf model and attempted to make a simple state system for it to wander around. As you can see, the wolf moves, well, slides from one point to the other around its spawn position. Then it stays idle for some time and starts patrolling towards a different position. Once the state system was working, it was time to make it prettier. I switched the movement to use NavMesh so that the AI can have proper obstacle awareness and pathfinding, and also added some animations. Okay, idle and patrolling is cool, but now to the fun part. We need the enemy to start chasing and fighting once the player is spotted, so let's give him some eyes. I will be using raycasts, so I made this simple system where I can control the amount, length, and angle of the rays, which allows me to have all kinds of variability in terms of enemy vision. Later, I'm planning on adding a sound system as well, so let me know what you think in the comments. Alright, after some coding, I got the chasing to work, but unless our player never skipped a leg day and can run forever, he is kinda screwed, because the AI will never stop chasing him. Also, none of them can die yet, so overall pretty miserable experience for both of them. If you want to make my experience better, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Back to the issue with endless chasing. I fixed that by making the AI stop the chase if the distance between him and the player reaches a threshold value. If that is the case, the animal will return to patrolling its lair, aka spawning point. I also tried to make it so the animal won't chase you too far from its home, but I saw that this can be exploited. Since the animal loses interest in you immediately once the maximum distance from the lair is reached, you could attack it standing outside that area and be perfectly safe. Fixing that was quite easy. I've made it mandatory for the animal to keep chasing the player for a specific amount of time, before it can lose interest. Now, if the enemy starts chasing you, you can't just hide outside its spawn range, and overall the behavior looks much better and more realistic, I guess. Last thing I did was a transition from the chase state to attack state if the target is in attack range, and once the target gets out of that range, the chase continues. Coolest part about all of this is how easy I can add different variations of wild animals now, having to tweak just a few parameters. To end the eternal suffering of our creatures, in the next episode I think I might start working on some basic combat system to start with. Let me know in the comments or on my Discord channel what ideas you would like to see in the game. Bye!